Is that a Kenworth T880S over there? Look at it hauling those 35-pound logs, climbing that steep incline like a mighty armored tank. Oh no. I was sure that truck was going to slide right down the slope, but against all odds, the skillful driver pulled through, and they made it safely. Incredible. Have you heard about the John Deere 1170E? This machine is changing the game in timber harvesting. Why? With a powerful 237 horsepower engine and a flexible head, it effortlessly maneuvers through any terrain while keeping fuel consumption low. Now imagine getting behind the controls of this machine. How incredible would that be? What a lively scene. Watching the machines do all the heavy lifting is incredible. The logs are effortlessly pulled from deep ravines, and before long, they're loaded onto trucks heading to city mills. A continuous flow of efficiency and power. Wow. Flying over the beautiful forests of Canada in a helicopter is quite a sight. These dense, unreachable woods need something special for transporting logs, and helicopters fit the bill perfectly. It's amazing to see how they work, preserving the landscape and getting things done. The skill required to command Tiger Cat's machines leaves onlookers in awe. Drivers maneuver these powerful giants with ease, transforming hefty logs into orderly stacks with astonishing speed. It's a mesmerizing dance of power and precision. Nothing stands in the way of the Caterpillar 518 skidder. Although it may appear daunting at first, the machine's advanced tire traction ensures that no obstacle can impede its progress. You could own this powerhouse for just $100,000. On a rainy day, a gigantic barge glides into a scenic port. Two massive cranes flex their mighty claws, lifting heavy waterlogged logs. Can you feel the tension? The weight, the struggle, every moment is a nerve-wracking thrill. What would you do if you were there? Have you seen this colossal cedar tree? It's an awe-inspiring challenge. The tiny chainsaw, paired with the skill and experience of the logger, unleashes tremendous force. Wow, it's crashing down. Now let's get to the process of sawing the trunk. The scent of fresh wood is simply intoxicating. From a distance, it may look like an old 1958 Kenworth, its engine roaring with a rough edge. But oh, how I underestimated it. Just look at the monstrous logs it's carrying, gliding effortlessly along the road. Not every truck can keep up with this beast. Upon ignition, the Scania Phi 8 fills the atmosphere with a palpable sense of anticipation. Its formidable chassis and trailer facilitate the efficient loading of timber, underscoring its impressive load capacity, affirming its place as a leader in heavy-duty transport. Cat 525C skidder is truly a machine built to conquer the harshest conditions. With its powerful engine and flexible grapple, resembling a crab's claw, it pulls timber swiftly and decisively, showcasing strength akin to robust individuals flexing their muscles. Can you feel the tension? These overloaded timber trucks look like they're dancing on a tightrope as they make their way downhill. Every turn seems like a risk, a moment where you can't help but wonder, will they tip over? It's heart-stopping.